I'm here today to introduce you to the Light Elegance Spa Jacket. We're really excited about this. I think we thought almost of everything that you guys are going to need. Number one, it looks so professional and nice. I like the crisp white. The sleeves, we wanted sleeves, but they're not too long, so they're not going to get in the way if you're doing a pedicure and you're in water, or they're going to hinder you in any way when you're doing nails. Also, we made it so it wasn't too confining, and we have pockets. Everybody needs pockets, right? So they're nice pockets, they're angled a little bit. And then we added the little touch of this little cute little band that makes it look nice, but yet it's not, like I said, confining. So it's just not a blocky spa jacket. And of course, it has the cute Light Elegance logo on it, and it's comfortable. This is a medium, and we have them in all sizes for all shapes of people out there. And the little buttons, and you can just do it like this. And I have to show you something that's really special about this jacket. I love the tag inside. We think of all the details here at Light Elegance. So anyway, my modeling days, yes, well, those are probably over, right? But anyway, the spa jacket from Light Elegance is fabulous. Also, the material is such that when you get dust on it, you can just go like this and the dust brushes right off. So get your spa jacket today from Light Elegance.